was born with scars nobody sees, carried weight from my childhood memories. Trouble with the law before I knew my name, chasing fire in the dark, running straight into the flame. Jobs slip away, friends fade like smoke. Every bridge I built, it feels like it broke. Look in the mirror, don't like who I find, a prisoner of doubt locked inside my mind. These shadows I carry, they follow me home. I've walked through this world feeling lost and alone. I wanted a life where my heart could be free, but the war in my head keeps on breaking me. Every crowd feels like a battlefield. I don't know who's real, don't know who will heal. Paranoid eyes scan faces I meet, searching for judgment in every street. I hide my pain where no one can see, afraid of the person that I might be. Dreams feel heavy, they fall through my hands like castles of dust built on sinking sands. These shadows I carry, they follow me home. I've walked through this world feeling lost and alone. I wanted a life where my heart could be free, but the war in my head keeps on breaking me. But maybe there's hope in the cracks of my soul, a light in the dark that could make me whole. I'm more than mistakes, more than my past. I'm learning to breathe, learning at last. These shadows